Hey, welcome. I'm the crypto coach Blockchain Wayne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake FIO tokens from within the SecuX cold storage hardware wallet. This allows you to stake your tokens, participate in governance, earn rewards while keeping your FIO tokens stored securely within a cold storage wallet. So I've got the V20 for the demo device. I actually have it right here, the same one you see on the screen behind me. And I have some FIO tokens deposited in there that I will stake, and I'm going to walk you through the process. So first thing I'm going to do from this screen here, from the SecuX website, I will hit at the top SecuX SX, and when I hit that, it's going to take me to connect to my wallet. Now, if my device has Bluetooth built in, I'm on a desktop, so I'm going to connect via USB, but you choose how you want to connect, and then it's going to pull up whatever it's sensing is there to connect. I hit demo, I hit connect. That demo is the name of what I named my wallet. And you can see here, this is where you can update firmware, add your different token supports, and I'm gonna go with FIO here. So I click on FIO, and it's gonna load my FIO account. And you can see here, this one actually has 1,000 tokens within it. And then from there, I am able to hit staking. Now to stake, you need a FIO crypto handle, which is in the format of username at domain. You can set up a free one, which is on the @SecuX domain. So I'm gonna create that. It's gonna walk me through there. So I hit staking, and it basically tells me I need to understand that I need to have a crypto handle and that staking is managed by the FIO protocol. And then I hit register crypto handle. Now this only happens the first time you go to stake. So say I want it to be Wayne M, and I want that to be my crypto handle, Wayne M at SecuX. I check availability. Take a second, shows me it's available, so I hit register. Confirm this here. And now it's going to take a second to register that crypto handle on chain. And when we come back, it should be all registered. And I'll show you how to finish the staking process. All right, so now you can see right here, it's set up, shows Wayne M at SecuX has been created. Now I go back to my screen here, and I will hit staking. Give it a chance to refresh and update. Okay, so I'm back, and now I hit staking, and now it'll allow me to choose what I want to stake. So I can put in the amount. I have 1,000 tokens in this account that I want to stake, and I can put however many I want to stake. So from here, I hit stake. And now I put in how many I want to stake. And I hit next step. And I have to authorize it on the device. So I hit authorize in the device. And it has processed that transaction. Now I can hit stake. And it is as simple as that. I've completed the staking and it is now staked. All right, so now I can go back into this, into the staking portal. And this, I also have the option to unstake. Now, unstake, there is a 7-day unlock period. So if I decided I want to unstake those 1,000 FIO tokens, I could hit unstake, do that as well. It would just take 7 days before I'm able to move those tokens. The private keys for those are locked securely on the hardware wallet, and I'm able to move them off once I go through the unstaking period. And that's it. It's as simple as that to stake, to earn rewards for participating in governance on the FIO chain. So if you've got FIO tokens and want to stake them, you can now do it on the SecuX hardware wallet. That's it. Have a great day.